Guys, you're welcome to this channel. I'm here at the summit at the peak of Mountain Bully, and I want to tell you about the diversity of the people here in northeastern Nigeria. From the point I'm standing, if you move 10 kilometers in any direction, you are going into a different tribal community that speaks an entirely different language. Amazingly, let me start from let's start from this direction. Let me show you. Now, if you move in this direction, you will meet, if you move 10 kilometers this direction, it's a different community. And this community, they speak an entirely different language. We call them the Geji. These are the Geji people here. And if you move a bit here, you meet another tribal village that are referred to as Zulawa. They speak an entirely different language. And if you move this way, 10 kilometers this way, you are going into another community that speaks Fulfulde. And away from this, here there's another mountain. God, this sun rays coming into this. Here we call them Baram. This Baram, they speak an entirely different language too. Likewise, here towards this direction, there is a community that are called Langas. They speak Langas. And yes, another towards this direction, it's another community, tribal community. Here, this tribal community, they speak another tribal language. Okay, yes, this community, they speak a different language. They are referred to as Dirawa. They speak Dir. And of course, if you move from that Dir, if you move another 5 to 10 kilometers, you will meet another tribal village. They speak another language. And coming behind this mountain, you know, at the base of that mountain there, you see at the Bulawa. There, this Bulawa, they speak a different language too. And to the east, it's another tribal community. They also speak an entirely different language. So you see how diverse this community are. The whole of these communities are enclosed within a radius of 20 kilometers. And means from this point, at a radius of 20 kilometers, you will find more than 20 different languages. I'm here in, let me tell you about the state. I'm here in Bauchi State. Precisely, this is Bauchi State. And Bauchi State has over 55 different tribes. There are over 55 different tribes in Bauchi alone. And here I'm in southern part of Bauchi, where there are high concentration of these tribal communities, more than the other part of Bauchi. So there's a lot of diversity in this region. And you know, here the major religions are Islam, Christianity, and African traditional religion. And all of these communities I showed you, they have their own traditional beliefs, and we still have traditional worshippers. I used to go during traditional ceremonies. Sometimes these traditional believers, when they have special occasions, they do invite me to go and see. It's very, very interesting. And if you are following me on this channel, one day during one of these occasions or one of these ceremonies, I'll be there, and I'm going to show you how beautiful it is. You will see how united these people are, the type of love that brought them together, how those traditional practices is further uniting them, building very strong relationship, and bringing them together. It's so interesting, and I'm sure you will like it. So hey guys, there are these small flying, but I don't know the name. So that's great. Look at this place, guys. Look at this place, guys. Wow. Man, that's scary, guys. In those days, when you come here, you only need to sit down for like 5 minutes and you see a lot of animals. Monkeys precisely, gorillas, man, and some of these mountain birds. But today they're not here anymore because people have encroached. People have chased them away. Now, for you to be able to see them, you need to go to that bigger mountain. One of these days, I'll organize. We'll be hiking that big mountain. That big one is way bigger. It will take a whole day to get to the summit of that mountain. It will take a whole day. So these are some goats that are here grazing. They're enjoying their time. So guys, I'm going down the mountain. Oh, can you see them? These are goats from the neighboring community. Some of these goats, they are here for more than 2-3 years. They have become mountain goats. And sometimes we have problem with thieves. They will just come to the mountain and begin to hunt these animals. These are animals that they originated from. They are domestic goats from homes where they go to the mountains and they hide in the caves. They remain there for years. And so after some time, when people realize that these animals do come here to stay, they begin to hunt them too. They begin to hunt them. And that's why they are no longer as much as they used to be. You see, in this one, I think it's crying and looking for the partners. What is it you're looking for? See, they're busy shouting because they've seen a strange face. No, they know most of this. Hey, God, you see them. They're just very comfortable running from one point to another. Yo, see me going down the mountain. See how far I have come. Look at. Can you see? This is how far I've come. See, I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down the mountain. Down the mountain there is my bike. Is my bike down there waiting for me. Yeah, I have about a kilometer to go down there. Oh guys, you're here? Cool, just enjoying your stay. Wow, that's beautiful. Jesus. You notice my battery is going down. And anyway, it's a mission accomplished, almost accomplished. I've gone up. I've made the necessary call. And now I'm going down. Yes. See. Jesus Christus. Animals. Look at how they're coming. Okay, see how beautiful it is. Wow. Can you see them? It's interesting. So let's go down, guys. Little by little.